The question I'm asking is, are all calories equally fattening? And the answer is no. A calorie of brownies is not the same as a calorie of kale. It's just not. That's just common sense. But yet we try to pretend that they're the same. So if it's not about calories, it's really about our hormonal response to those calories, which is completely different depending on the different foods that we eat, but it depends on a lot of different things. Calories is a very simple measure, and that's really what is appealing about it, because not only does it tie together all different foods in a single measure, but you can also tie in things like exercise, and these sort of things are very appealing to companies that sell sugary beverages, for example. So they can say, okay, if you exercise, then it's okay to drink sugar-sweetened beverages because you've just exercised. There's a fundamental flaw in this whole energy balance equation. The energy balance equation says that body fat equals calories in minus calories out. So what we take from that is that we assume that if we simply reduce the amount of calories we take in, that we're going to reduce our body fat. But that's not actually true. That's not actually what the equation says. So there's actually two parts to it, the calories in and calories out. So the question really is, if you reduce your calories taken in, does your calories that your body expends stay stable? And the answer is no, and we've known this for about 100 years. So you can look at studies done in 1917 where they take volunteers and they reduce the number of calories that they eat by roughly 30%. Then they measure their basal metabolic rate, which is the amount of calories that they're burning on a day-to-day basis. And what you find is that the body has reduced its energy expenditure by about 30%. So if you're taking 30% less calories in and your body is using 30% less calories, then you're not going to lose any body fat, which was the whole point of the exercise. And this is really the failure of this sort of calories in, calories out model, is that they're not independent variables. The calories in and the calories out are not independent of each other. They go up and down together, so simply focusing in on the calories leads you to fail in your efforts to lose body fat.